welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has intrigued many practitioners of Nichiren Buddhism, the Daimoku question. Should you chant Myoho Renge Kyo fast or slow?
Myoho Renge Kyo.
This question has sparked countless discussions, and today, we're going to settle it once and for all. So, if you've ever found yourself pondering the speed of your chanting, this video is for you. Before we continue, pause the video and tell in the comment section where you are from. We've got a packed agenda for you. We'll be exploring the science behind the speed of chanting, the benefits of each pace, and tips on how to optimize your Daimoku practice. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned practitioner, stick around because this video is going to be a game changer for your spiritual journey. Let's start by understanding what Daimoku actually is. Daimoku refers to the chanting of the phrase Myoho Renge Kyo, a central practice in Nichiren Buddhism. The chant is believed to embody the essence of the Lotus Sutra, one of the most important texts in Mahayana Buddhism. Now, on to the big question: should you chant fast or slow? There's a lot of debate around this, but let's look at it from a scientific perspective first. Studies have shown that the speed at which you chant can have different physiological and psychological effects. For instance, chanting at a faster pace can increase your heart rate and make you feel more energized. On the other hand, slower chanting can help you relax and may even reduce stress levels. So, the speed at which you chant can actually align with your current needs or emotional state. Great. Now that we've covered the scientific and spiritual angles, let's talk about some practical tips for your Daimoku practice. If you're a beginner, you might find it easier to start with slower chanting. This allows you to get the pronunciation right and helps you focus on the meaning of each word. As you become more comfortable, you can experiment with faster speeds. Many experienced practitioners find that faster chanting helps them enter a meditative state more quickly. It can also be more energizing, especially if you're chanting in the morning to kickstart your day. However, it's essential to remember that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to Daimoku. The best speed for you is the one that allows you to connect most deeply with the chant and its meaning. So don't be afraid to vary your speed according to your needs and feelings at any given time. Another tip is to join group chanting sessions, either in person or online. This can provide a sense of community and make your practice more enjoyable. Plus, you can learn from others and find what pace works best for you. Fantastic. Let's move on to some of the common myths surrounding the speed of Daimoku chanting. One myth is that faster chanting is better or more powerful than slower chanting. As we've discussed, the speed doesn't necessarily make your practice more or less effective. It's all about your intent and focus. Another myth is that you should stick to one speed for all your chanting sessions. The truth is, varying your speed can actually enhance your practice by aligning it with your current emotional and spiritual state. Now, let's talk about some resources that can help you in your Daimoku practice. There are plenty of apps and online platforms where you can find guided chanting sessions, tutorials, and even Daimoku speedometers to measure your chanting speed. Before we wrap up, I want to share a personal tip. Whenever I find myself unsure about the speed of my chanting, I simply close my eyes, take a deep breath, and listen to my inner voice. It usually guides me to the pace that I need at that moment, and I find that incredibly empowering. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the science, the spirituality, and the practical aspects of Daimoku chanting speed. Remember, whether you chant fast or slow, the most important thing is to chant with sincerity and focus. Thank you for joining us today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and and subscribe for more enlightening content.